fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got the gas and they always be smoking like a
red Camaro, there goes the green, here comes the Camaro on the right. Trouble with the 15 on the right. So tower side, we'll get there first. 13, 18. On the back, taking on the GoPro shot and blacked out, murdered out, newer model. I don't know what year it is, but it's newer than the other one. So we got a bit of a new school, old school atmosphere going on here. More moves about a decade. Alright, C7 and the C6 Corvette coming to the line here now. These guys just won a race. He's going to spin a bit. So remember, our beer garden, our bar, Slicks is... And he's into the beams and right angle stall lane here. Alright, a pair of Camaros, the newest one, the newest mode, the newest mark, the 6th gen. Coming to the line here now. Small block cars, LS motors. I have no idea what the cubes are, so I get the tech cards. Ultra green before he left. You must wait until it's ultra yellow and then leave. 13.4 at 112 to a 13.09 at 1. And another second, C56 on 5 direct, second advantage. And a 1511 to a 1536. And the Mustang's back for another nip tuck.
.98 12.9.
About 11:30, so batten down the hatches. Be aware, be ready. Hear me, Bill Richards? Make sure those are all done. And the Ford is ahead. What to do? 12 miles an hour, even though Jack says 97 and 82 miles an hour.
Welcome back to another video from Toronto Motorsports Park in Cayuga. We had an unbelievable time. I took this super slow down the drag strip for the very first time as a total amateur, never done it before, and I ran 2:12.9s. It was literally unbelievable. Stock tires, stock internals, stock everything. Car ran like a champion. It hooked up and I launched down that strip like I owned it. Spectacular. There's going to be a lot more of this to come. I just wanted to show you guys how cool my car looks with race car numbers, because I am now a race car driver. So I'm adding that to my official resume, and anybody getting a job application from me, I'm a race car driver.